Something interesting is unfolding in the AI world. OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, yeah, you know that one, right? And one of Microsoft's closest partners may be preparing to enter a space Microsoft already dominates. New reports suggest OpenAI is working on its own code hosting platform, which raises an obvious question. If the company building the AI tools also starts hosting the code, what happens to GitHub? And if this platform actually launches, it could change how developers build software in the AI era. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe. And if you're ready, let's take a closer look. A new report from The Information reveals that OpenAI is working on a new code repository platform to rival GitHub. The project is still in early development and may take months before it's ready. But the reason behind it is fascinating. OpenAI engineers reportedly faced repeated GitHub outages and disruptions, while occasionally blocked development workflows. So instead of relying entirely on GitHub, they decided to build their own. And that, I believe, is meaningful. GitHub is the central nervous system of global software development. 100 million plus developers, hundreds of millions of repositories, the foundation of open source collaboration. And ironically, GitHub is owned by Microsoft, which makes this move extremely interesting because Microsoft is also OpenAI's biggest strategic partner. So if OpenAI launches a GitHub alternative, it would mark the first direct competitive move against Microsoft's developer ecosystem. But the real story here is bigger than GitHub. OpenAI is slowly building an end-to-end AI developer stack. ChatGPT, coding assistance; GPT models, reasoning and generation; API platform, developer infrastructure; agents and coding co-pilots. Well, now imagine the final piece: an AI native code repository, a place where AI writes the code. AI, of course, reviews the code as well. AI deploys the code and AI maintains the code. This news comes just one day after another major update from OpenAI. The company released GPT 5.3 Instant, its most widely used model. And the focus is accuracy over speed. According to OpenAI, hallucinations reduced by 26.8%, reliability improved nearly 20%, fewer refusals, and more natural conversations. So in other words, the AI race is shifting from who is fastest to who is most reliable. Even competitors like Anthropic and Google are now competing heavily on accuracy benchmarks. And if that wasn't enough, we have more. OpenAI also teased something bigger, which is GPT 5.4. The model was hinted in a post saying it's coming sooner than you think, which means the AI model cycle is accelerating again. New models every few months and not any longer in years. So let's just put all of these pieces together and we start to see the real strategy. OpenAI isn't just building models anymore. It's actually building the operating system for developers in the AI era. Models, agents, tools, repositories, infrastructure, a full stack. If GitHub defines software development in the internet era, OpenAI might be trying to define software development in the AI era. And here, of course, as always, is the front page take. The AI race started with chatbots, then of course it moved on to models. Now it's becoming a battle for the entire developer ecosystem. And if OpenAI actually launches its own GitHub competitor, the biggest rivalry in AI might not be OpenAI versus Anthropic. It actually just might become OpenAI versus Microsoft. Please do let us know what you think in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.